What up, people? Beautiful day. I'm so happy that I can actually drive my Z and it's not broken. You guys don't understand how good that shit feels. It's time for some TLC for the Z. This shit's been neglected for too long. Whew. So I will be dropping this off to my boy for some Bondo work on my fenders. Actually just one fender. It's mainly my driver's side fender. That shit is dub. It has some Bondo on it, and just over the years of just being static and shit, that shit just got fucking ruined. So yeah, I need to have it fix that up, touch it up, get it pretty much prepped for wrap and ready to go. I have a new bumper. I need to go pick it up for my boy Sergio. I'm also on the mission to find a fucking tire for my EVO. I need an RSRR, and it's like impossible to find right now. My tire plug can't get them. I called numerous amount of people. Everyone's saying they don't have them in stock till like next month. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. Can't buy like a regular tire. It's gonna look stupid as hell. So yeah, fucking mission today. Peep. I got that switch for the fuel pump now. My fuel pump goes out, I know. And it'll start right up. Every time. Is that a donate dog? Take another route because since Officer Dickhead wants to sit and be on his fucking dumbass motorcycle on the other way, I've already got pulled over twice in the same spot in my GTR, so I'm not even away no more. So if that guy catches me in my EVO or my Z, he's definitely pulling me over. Yeah, about to get this shit fixed. Apparently this tire, RSRR Federal RR, is back ordered. I cannot find it anywhere. My tire plug can't find it. I just need one, bro. Like, I just need one. They're all new, pretty much. I have like 1,000 miles on them. This one, I went to the Canyons, and my 19 that holds one of the 19s that holds the coil, it actually fell out. So my tire was like leaning like this, and it was just rubbing on the coil. So on the inside, it's totally like, it's done. It has a huge gash. So it's totally unsafe to drive on that shit. I mean, I could drive it, it's not losing air, but like, I'm definitely like, I just feel like I'm gonna get a flat, so. Shit blows, man. Shit can never go my way. Frustration boys, man. So right now I think I'm gonna head to the Mitsubishi dealership so I can find that bolt that actually fell out. I replaced it with the 17, but I need a 19 and I can't find it at the shop. So go to the Mitsubishi dealership, get that. Alright, so I just went to Mitsubishi in La Puente and they didn't have the bolt that I need. So the only place that had it was Costa Mesa, which is like way the fuck buttfuck Egypt. But actually, I had to come to OC anyways, so it's whatever. It works out. So I'm on my way right now to get that bolt and some oil filters. Then get my bumper. And yeah, I'm still trying to find a tire. I called a few people and said they're gonna call me back, let me know, but I doubt it. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so I'm not the biggest oil filters, but this fucking bolt right here, this shit fell out, bro. This shit fell out while I was driving in the canyons and I almost died. Yeah, my wheel was like leaning like a cholo. That shit had like hella camber. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with this shit? So yeah, this nut fell out. So got that. Got my Nismo bumper, dog. I need that, man. I see needed this so bad. Finally.
I'm Rambo, my bro like a mechanic, always keep the hammer close. Do I believe in heaven? To be honest, I don't know. But I believe in ghosts and I believe in Lambos.
Alright, so currently there's just like a shit ton of traffic, so I'm taking the streets to go around traffic. Shit sucks. Oh man, I'm already tired of driving, bro. And I actually found someone, one of my followers actually has the tire I need, but there's a problem. This nigga lives like like almost 2 hours away, like fuck. I'm just gonna go ahead and bust that mission because apparently these tires are back ordered for like 3 weeks, a month. Now, I dropped off the bumper already. I'm tired, man. I've been in traffic all day. Like, I've been driving all day long. It's 5:30. I've been driving since, what time did I leave this morning? Like 9? Jesus. Yeah, like I said earlier, I found a guy that has a tire. He's a little far. He's about like an hour and a half out. So I'm gonna get some rest, probably take a nap, and then I'm gonna hop in the ETR later and go pick it up. I'll take the GoPro with me. You know, I might encounter somebody at my gap, so I'll go ahead and, you know, film a little something. But I have a surprise for you guys tomorrow too. Something for the EVO. The new setup is still going on it. I'm just kind of waiting right now. There's a few things I need to spend like basically like another $2 grand. I need cams, I need a double pump, bigger injectors. Yeah, I need to spend a little bit more money on it. All right, I lied. My GTR is dirty as hell. Oh my goodness. I just took this shit to Vegas, so this shit's filthy. Got bugs all over the front. Oh, I'm gonna wash it. Is that a tomate duck? You know, got my own car wash at my apartments. Pretty legit. I do love these wheels because they're really easy to clean. 5-spoke for the win. Currently about to be on my way to go pick up this tire. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how fast the 85 burns. See where I'm at right now, right? Alright, cool. Now, I'm going far, but not that far. I'm not going no like 300 miles, no shit like that. I think it's only like 70 miles. So I'm gonna show you where it's gonna be at. You guys don't understand. I get people all the time, bro, you're complaining about paying $3 for gas. I pay like $3.50. E85 burns twice as fast as pump gas, therefore it's more expensive. And realistically, it's like paying $6-7 a gallon for gas. Here's one time. Get that to go order. Some flame. I got my tire. Everything is good. Head to fuck home. E85 live. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and continue this video tomorrow, guys. I got some dope stuff in store, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. GTR looking still pretty clean, you know, after a drive. Normally one drive is just dirty already. But yup, got my tire. Y'all wanna hear my tractor start up? Wee doggy! Will you listen to that damn John Deere spool? So what I didn't tell you guys is I actually picked up some new wheels for the EVO yesterday. It was a nice little come up. My boy hit me. I was like, fuck it, I'll cop them. I have some curb rash I want to fix on these wheels anyways. And I want to put some 9.5s back on it to see how better it feels in the canyons and stuff. Because it's 10.5s are a little too aggressive for EVOs, to be honest. Running 10.5 squared 18s. They fit, everything fits, it's fine, it works, but it is a little aggressive for EVO. But I'm gonna put these other wheels on and see how it looks and everything. I think it'll look pretty sick, so nothing crazy. You know, pulled up. Best Tire Shop Fontana. My nigga Victor. What's
Stack up the barber deck.
Sick. So these are the wheels right here. They're Gram Light 57s. I always like these wheels. They're pretty dope. I was actually gonna buy a set of these. I was gonna buy a set of these before I bought my Advance, but I ended up getting the Advance. I got them for a good deal, so a little more functional setup for now. See how it goes. All right, you guys ready for it? Ow! Big ass fool. Damn, dog. Are those Gram Lights? See, so more functional setup. These are 9.5. A little more meat. See how it goes. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. You guys are wondering what happened to this tire. That happened. Fuck. Honestly, guys, I really like this setup. I like the way it stands out. The blue on the red looks pretty hard. Fuego. I'm really fucking with this setup. I don't know, I just think the Gram Lights, the whole color combo, it looks really sick. If you guys don't like it, I don't give a shit. I'm not planning on selling my other wheels unless someone's gonna really cash me out. Unless you got 2,600, cash me out for my Advance. Not gonna sell them most likely. It's just temporary setup, see how I like it. So alignment's done, everything's good, car drives good. I might have to raise the rear though, because now that I have more meat, it's rubbing a little bit, so whatever, I don't care right now. About to wipe the car down real quick. My boy's waiting for me. About to go take some photos. Hopefully catch the sunset. It's getting kind of dark. Call it a day. This shit's rubbing right here. Need to raise it probably. You can smell it? Ooh. Sick ass. Oh shit.
So notice how this side, see the front?
Yeah, we can hella play with it. Sick. What do you guys think? Fresh? Kicks? Looks clean, looks clean. Well guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. The new setup for now. I might put the other wheels back on later. I think it looks pretty sick, a little more functional, so sick ass fool. I'll keep you guys updated on the Z. We'll see what happens with that. I'm just waiting for that to get back out of the shop for the Bondo work, and then I'll be dropping it off for a wrap. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about the new setup. Fresh Kicks out.